Crude oil recovered smartly towards $67 levels as expected and predicted in our first update for the day, while the natural gas is still consolidating in the zone, failing to stay below 2.38 and failing to break beyond 2.42, the no trade zone as we discussed few hours back with our Asia and Europe session update. Now, what to expect with the US session? Which position you should take in order to profit? Yes, there is a data regarding the crude oil inventory which could further trigger the volatility in oil prices. Which direction it is going to take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for free notifications and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, to look into oil, followed with gas. Oil on the hourly charts, you can see this after bit of resistance here. We have seen a sharp drop here, and from 68 levels you've seen it moving towards 64.8. After that, the rise, the retracement, and now it is rising. It could retrace here. Where are the supports? Now 66 and 65.6 zone is going to be the prime support, even if it tries to retrace from the current levels. Right now it is not showing any signs of retracement. It is looking upwards. It is trying to trade bullish, and any move beyond 67 should be, see, 67, 66.8. This was the good resistance support earlier. This is going to be a good resistance now as well. Also, if you look at the move, this is trading in this bearish channel. The highs are now at around 67.5, 67.6. It is inclined to move towards this zone, but we have to see how it behaves at 67, 67.2. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, divergent and bullish. RSI is rising as well. On the 2 hour charts, if you look on the 2 hour charts, see, if you follow the trend right now, see 20 period, 20 period, 20 period, and then now 20 period. So yes, this is definitely a greater resistance. Right now it appears that it is inclined to move towards the 50 period, and if you look at the preceding candle as well, it is a swing candle. The current candle is starting on a flat note, trying to stay bullish. Possibility exists, and see, it has formed a very good base here at around now 65.6. So yes, it is willing to rise from this zone, and possibility exists that it can move towards 67.5, 67.6, or in fact 68. But 68 is definitely going to be one difficult hurdle for it to break beyond. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards, signs of bullishness. RSI trading with modest bullish slope here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, see, preceding candle hitting the 20 period, reversing here, and thus I will recommend you to buy now at 67.2, where you can expect 67.5, 67.6, and in fact 68 zone. And yes, it has formed a good support here at now around 65.6. With that as support, we are looking forward to a rise here. And if you look at the preceding candle, diminishing bullishness, but it has left a wick, and yes, it could continue here if it stays beyond 67.2 and 67.6. We can see further bullishness beyond 68 is where the reversal confirmation is. The stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here for the buy, and this is the first green candle. Does this suggest that this could continue here for a while? RSI rising, coming to 4 hour. The observation is same on the 4 hour charts here. It is willing to retrace, it is willing to rise. A good support here at 65.6, and now it is aspiring to hit at least 20 period moving average here. And if you look at 4 hour time frame, this 20 period here is definitely playing a critical role, and thus till 67.5, 67.6, we have to be cautious here. Possibility of prices hitting this zone exists strong though. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over for the buys, RSI coming out of the oversold zone and rising. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, if you look at the move here, as we have discussed earlier, that see lower lows, lower highs, it is trying to trade in this channel, and for it to give a breakout, it has to stay above 68 levels, which will confirm that it is willing to reverse, willing to retrace beyond 68. We can look forward to a move towards, in fact, 70, 72 zone very soon, and today's data is going to be one driving factor. Also, the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period, and hence it can aspire to achieve this zone even if it is reversing, even if it is bearish. Though if you largely look at the move here, the drop, sideways movement, and the drop, so this second move is done, and possibility of a retracement exists where it could retrace towards, this zone, and possibility exists strong that sooner we can see a reversal here. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. The MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is oversold and trying to recover. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges, with global presence, with safer and easier transactions and withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 67, 67.2 levels. This zone is a very good resistance. Beyond this, you can look forward to 67.5, 67.6, the next milestone. And if it stays above this, certainly you can see a move towards 68 and plus levels. Yes, if it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. Ideally, the bullishness will prevail if it stays above 68. Not only today, but we can see this bullishness continuing tomorrow and day after tomorrow as well. Beyond 68, the targets are going to be towards 69.2 and $70 levels very soon, beyond which you can look forward to a move towards 71. On the downside, I will recommend now a selling entry at 66.3 levels, where you can expect 66, 65.8 first support zone, 65.5, 65.6 the next second one. If it stays below 65.5, 65.6 zone, you can say that the bears will be back in action, and then we can look forward to a move towards 64.8 and 64 zone very soon. uh, Remember, oil has already hit a 17 months low, and chances for recovery are just a little. But yes, do not treat that is going to recover completely in a single day. You have to watch out with caution. It could show you a swing. The data can bring havoc here, where you can see a sharper crash as well. So till 68 at least today, do not treat this as bullish. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, natural gas so far for the day stayed in a narrow zone. It has failed to break below 2.38, and it has failed to stay above 2.42. And as we have discussed, this is definitely a greater resistance and support levels here. So once it stays above 2.42, that is the point of time you can say now net gas is reversing, and we can look forward to rise towards 2.45, 2.5 levels. Moving averages here are definitely trading bullish, trading with divergence. A stochastic here has formed a double bottom, trying to rise here. Possibility exists that we can see it hitting the top here. But look at MACD after crossover trading bearish, so it has still scope for further down move. RSI is rising, again a bullish sign here. So mixed indication. If you look at the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, price is waited for the 20 period to climb up, just taking the support from the 20 period, trying to rise beyond 2.41, 2.42 zone. We can look forward to a move towards 2.45, the next milestone, and then beyond the 2.5. If you look at the move here, forming a good support, we have seen it rising, then a retracement, and now a breakout here can bring stronger bullish move again. Stochastic here has dropped. MACD is willing to cross over for sell. It has not yet crossed over. It could still diverge. RSI rising, again signs are bullish. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Rise, retracement, wait is for the moving average to climb up, and once it stays above 2.42, more bullishness will prevail here. Moving averages are staying bullish here, trading with divergence. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is still in green after the crossover, and it is still trading in green. So yes, it is not yet crossed over, not yet crossed over on the sell side, and thus it could still continue to stay bullish. RSI rising, coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts also, the observation is similar. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Just let it break beyond 2.42, which will take it towards 2.45 and 2.5 zone. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped a bit. The MACD almost running flat, and RSI is showing a little rise. Coming to daily. On the daily chart, see, observe the move here. First of all, the crossover here in the moving average definitely is a bullish line. And in my weekly review, in my daily review, I have mentioned very clearly, as long as now natural gas respects 2.25, do not treat this as bearish. This is very clear. Now, what has happened after the move here, the rise here, the retracement? It has given a gap down, it has filled the gap, and now looking upwards. Also, look at yesterday's candle. A very strong support is now created here at around 2.32. So these are the support levels towards 2.32, 2.3 and 2.28, 2.25 till 2.25. Very strong support to exist here for net gas. Now see what has happened yesterday. Higher highs and a flat top bottom is seen. Now it is willing to break beyond 2.42, which will take it towards 2.45, a greater milestone. And if it stays about 2.45, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2.5 levels. Now on the downside, you can sell here at 2.38 itself, which is for the day. It is provided at a very good support. But if you're selling at 2.38, this is going to be a riskier proposition, as we know that the immediate supports and the greater supports are existent at 2.3536. The first support levels and very good one. The next one is at 2.32. And if you see it is staying below 2.32, then you can say now net gas is turning bearish. Else it is still not bearish for the day. We can see, or we can aspire for a rise here. So mark the levels. Do not trade between 2.32 2.38 and 2.42 levels, and as long as it stays within the zone, just be alert and cautious. Beyond 2.42 is where we can look forward to 2.45, 2.5 zone. And on the downside, we know already the levels till 2.25 is stay alert. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update before the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Do press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.